how to change date and time on Xbox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually change the date and time on your Xbox Series X, S, or even Xbox One. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So before we get started, it's important to note that we have to go through a couple different steps to be able to have the ability to manually set our date and time. So to get started, select the Xbox guide button. That's the one that lights up on your controller. And then in the menu, go to the right until you get to Profile and System, and then go down to Settings. Now, the first thing we need to do is make sure that the Xbox that we're on is our home Xbox. So from General here, go to the right, select Personalization, and then go to the right and go to My Home Xbox, select that. And then you just need to make sure that there's a checkbox next to Make This My Home Xbox. So once you've done that, go back until we get to this screen right here where it says General, and go to Network Settings. And then we need to go to Go Offline. And once it says Go Online, we have now disconnected the internet. It's important to note that you can only manually set the time if you're offline. So if you go back online after manually changing the date and time, it'll change it back to whatever the current date and time is. So now once we've gone offline, we need to reboot our Xbox, and we can do that by holding down the Xbox guide button and then going to Restart Console. So select that. Once you reboot and you get signed in, we again need to open up the settings again. So go over and then go to Settings. And then now in the settings, in this left menu, go down to System and then go to Time. And now we can go to the right. We can select a custom time, change it to whatever you want, and a custom date. And if you hit back and go back to your home screen here, you can see that the time is how I set it in the top right. So that's how you change the date and time on an Xbox. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.